Welcome to the product introduction of PROMET R300 and PROMET R600. PROMET R300 and R600 high accuracy, high precision ohm meters delivering an adjustable test current up to 600 amps, which is independent of the supply voltage. These measuring devices utilize the 4-wire resistance measurement method, enabling them to meet the most stringent accuracy requirements. State-of-the-art power electronics, coupled with a robust design, guarantee excellent reliability and stationary and portable use in switching stations or industrial environments. PROMET ohm meters feature a modern operating concept, an interface to the test systems of the Actors product range, and external control for use with test stands, making them both flexible and versatile. Because the device is equipped with 3 voltage measurement inputs, parallel measurements can be carried out at 3 measurement points in order to perform a static measurement of the resistance of the 3 main contacts or assess the quality of the connections, for example. PROMET R300 R600 can determine resistances with temperature compensation. The temperature at the measurement point is measured using a sensor, and the resistance value is calculated taking the reference temperature of 20 degrees Celsius into account. This means that the values can be directly compared. A database with the parameters necessary for the temperature compensation is saved in the device and can be extended as and when needed. Thanks to parallel measurement of the earth current, the resistance can be determined precisely for the main contacts of switchgear devices even when earthing on both sides. When used in combination with Actors, PROMET R300 R600 can carry out dynamic contact resistance measurement on 3 poles and on several main contact chambers per pole simultaneously. This means that the measurement can be carried out on all the contacts of a switchgear device in a single operation. A simple programming interface is also available for special requirements, e.g. for use in test stands. This programming interface can be used in environments which support COM, ActiveX or in .NET environments. PROMET R300 R600 can be connected directly to a PC. Downloading and managing the data saved in the device is made easy by the user-friendly software. The measurement results, which are displayed in a clearly structured form, can also be exported to an Excel spreadsheet or presented in a test report.